Hello guys. Welcome back to Rich Root, the place where we unravel the secrets to making money online. Today's video is a game changer. I'm going to show you how you can earn a cool $50 a day, and guess what? It's as simple as installing apps. Intrigued? You should be. Stick around because at the end I've got bonus trick to skyrocket your earnings by 10x. Let's dive in. First things first, let's get you signed up. Head over to the CPA Lead website. The link is in the description below. Once you're there, hit that sign up button, and let's get you rolling in the money. The sign up process is a breeze. Just fill in your basic details, choose a username and password, and boom, you're in. Easy, right? Make sure your details are accurate. CPA Lead networks take this seriously, and accurate information ensures you get the best offers matched to your audience. Now, verify your email, and you're officially part of the money-making crew. Let's start with the reviews. Navigating to cpalead.com, you'll find a mix of opinions. Some users praise the platform for its variety of offers, user-friendly interface, and timely payments. Others, however, might express concerns about specific offers or customer support. It's essential to read a range of reviews to get a balanced perspective. Now that you're in, let's talk dollars. Inside your CPA Lead dashboard, you'll find a variety of offers. Choosing the right ones is crucial. Look for offers with high payouts and relevance to your audience. It's all about maximizing those earnings. Imagine this. For every app installation, you could be pocketing a cool amount. And the best part, it adds up fast. Keep an eye on those high-converting offers. They're your ticket to that $50 a day goal. Now, let's talk strategy. It's not just about installing apps, it's about how you promote them. Social media and family members is your playground. Create engaging content, maybe a quick tutorial or a funny skit. Make it shareable, make it irresistible. But wait, there's a brilliant hack to boost your earnings even more. Get your family involved. Share those app links with them. When they install, you earn. It's a win-win situation. Think about it. More installs, more money. As we wrap up, I've got a bonus tip that can take your earnings to a whole new level. Imagine earning dollars just by sending messages on Quora. Yes, you heard that right. Here's the trick. Hop onto Quora, find questions related to app recommendations or ways to earn online, and share your suggestions, including your referral links. When people click and install those apps, cha-ching, you earn dollars. It's like a virtual gold mine waiting to be tapped. Think about it. Quora has a massive user base seeking advice and recommendations. By positioning yourself as a helpful source, you not only assist others but also boost your own earnings. It's a win-win. Alright, folks, that's a wrap for today's video. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. Stay tuned for more money-making insights. Until next time, happy earning, and I'll catch you in the next one.